Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download tickets from Ticketmaster in 2026. So whether you want to save them on your phone, you want to send them to someone or keep a backup, this updated method is going to work fast and easy. First of all, you need to come here on ticketmaster.com. Over here, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. You can also follow the same steps in your Ticketmaster application. It works the same. So here, you just have to click on the My Account option on the top right hand corner. After that, click on the option of My Listings. So here, when you are in the My Listings section, it is going to show you all of the tickets that are available in the My Tickets section. So here when you see your ticket over here on this particular page, you are also going to see the download button. So in your phone, when you open the ticket that is going to appear over here, you are going to basically look for the option of save to wallet or add to Apple wallet or add to Google wallet. So when you are able to find it, simply click on the option of save, and this is going to save your ticket directly on your phone so that you can access it even without internet. So you can only download your tickets from a computer. So you will see the download option over here. Simply click on that and a PDF will be downloaded on your device. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.